Are you eating? You like that Milk-a-Pet in there. Yeah, I used to have to beg you to eat. You look a little dirty on the lips. This is a dog that I literally had to beg to eat. I tried cooked chicken, I tried everything. Mixed his food with Milk-a-Pet, and he will now clean that bowl. I am so pleased with this product, and he looks so much better than he did. He was really just a corpse by the time we had gotten to this point. And yes, he is a little bit thin, but he is filling out quite nicely through the hips here. This is coming all back in. I know I'm disturbing you, but he's looking actually much better. He has probably gained at least 2 pounds, which thrills me. He has got more energy, and I don't have to beg him to eat, and this is just wonderful. So I'm so pleased with your product. Thank you.